In this video, I will tell you the best courses to learn machine learning. So watch this video till the end. All these courses are free of cost and will be highly beneficial if you pursue these courses. So if you want to make your career in data science or machine learning, then you can learn from these courses. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, you should know what is machine learning and why you should learn machine learning. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is the science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. It is a study of computer algorithms that can improve automatically through experience and by the use of data. So we can train the machines with the help of different models. So the first website in our list is developers.google.com. I have given all the links in the description box, so you can check out these links to pursue machine learning courses. Machine Learning Crash Course with TensorFlow API. It's a crash course which you can complete in few days. It is a self-study course if you want to study machine learning by your own. So this crash course features a series of lessons with video lectures, real-world case studies and practice exercises. So as you can see, there are 25 lessons which are of around 15 hours, and after going through the lesson, you can practice the exercises. The next course you can find here is Introduction to Machine Learning Problem Framing. This course helps you to frame machine learning problems, how to implement the different algorithms and to work with data. So here you can study the different ML terms, how we can solve a problem with ML. Next, you can study about how to apply hypothesis testing and the scientific methods to solve ML problems. The next website in our list is Kaggle.com. Kaggle is one of the best sites for learning data science. So here you can find two courses. So the first one is Introduction to Machine Learning. Now it is a 3 hours duration course and there are 8 lessons. How models work, basic data exploration, first machine learning model, model validation, underfitting and overfitting, random forest, machine learning competitions. So you can study these lessons according to your convenience. If you are a beginner, then you can follow this course. The second course which you can learn from Kaggle is Intermediate Machine Learning. So if you already know the basics of Python and machine learning, then you can follow these courses. So this course is of intermediate level. It contains 7 lessons which are of around 4 hours. In this course, you will learn how to handle the missing values, non-numeric values, data leakage and more. You will study about categorical variables, pipelines, cross-validation, XGBoot and much more. The next website in our list is Coursera.org. So here you can find out machine learning course which is offered by Stanford and designed by Andrew Ng. It is one of the best course which you can follow. The course is of approx 61 hours. So after completing the course, you will get certificate. In this course, you will study about logistic regression, artificial neural network, and the different algorithms which are used in machine learning. The last website in our list is edx.org. So here you can find plenty of courses related to machine learning and artificial intelligence which are offered by different universities and colleges. So if you are a beginner or whether you are a college or school student, then you can follow these tutorials. You can follow these courses to learn from them. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video informative, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.